Grade 11, Chapter 4, Physical Education and Sports for CWSN, Children with Special Need, Divyang. We have four subtopics. You can see in the slide here. Aim and objectives of adaptive physical education. Organization promoting adaptive sports, Special Olympic, Bharat, Paralympics, Deaf Olympics. Concept of inclusion, its need and implementation. Role of various professionals for children with special need. Counselor, occupational therapist, physiotherapist, physical education teacher, speech therapist and special educator. Aim and objectives of adaptive physical education. Adapted physical education is the art and science of developing, implementing and monitoring a carefully designed physical education instructional program for a learner with a disability based on a comprehensive assessment to give the learner the skills necessary for a lifetime of rich leisure, recreational and sports experiences to enhance physical fitness and wellness. Aim. The aim of adaptive physical education should be to ensure that a child is provided with physical education services that meet his or her unique needs. APE programs strive to ensure that each student actively participates in physical education programs at his or her own level. The student is integrated into the regular education program whenever possible. It might include assisting students to develop self-esteem, better socialization skills, to promote sportsmanship. Objectives of adaptive physical education. The objective of adaptive physical education is to facilitate the student's independent function and to decrease the effect of the child's disability on his her ability to benefit from the special education process. School-based adapted physical education is structured to teach students to participate regularly in developmentally age-appropriate movement and motor skills, develop a healthy level of flexibility, balance, muscular strength and endurance, body composition and cardiorespiratory endurance, develop competency in movement and motor skills, learn game rules and strategies and demonstrate their use in game setting, demonstrate appropriate social skills in a physical activity setting, understand the benefits of regular physical activity. Organization promoting adaptive sports, Special Olympic Bharat. Special Olympic Bharat is a movement that uses sports as a catalyst to transform the lives of children and adults with intellectual disability. Aim: building athletes, changing attitudes. Special Olympic Bharat strives to focus on holistic development and training that goes beyond the classrooms into the playing fields, cultural and community centers to motivate children with disabilities to join and remain in school. Create role models who will inspire the children and also motivate parents into sending their children to school and to participate in sports and other extracurricular activities. Train teachers to sanitize them to needs of special children and create a cadre of physical education teachers from among the disabled who can work with schools and community centers. Ensure maximum involvement of community for greater public understanding and acceptance of people with intellectual disabilities. Most of our activities are run by local volunteers. Ensure all Special Olympic Bharat activities, local, state, national and international, reflect the Olympic movement values, standards, ceremonies and events. Oath and mission. The Special Olympics athlete oath. Let me win, but if I cannot win, let me brave in the attempt. The mission of Special Olympics is to provide year-round sports training and athlete competition in a variety of Olympic-type sports for children and adults with intellectual disabilities, giving them continuing opportunities to develop physical fitness, demonstrate courage, experience joy, and participate in a sharing of gifts, skills, and friendship with their families, other Special Olympics athletes, and the community. Special Olympic Bharat philosophy. Special Olympic Bharat believes people with intellectual disability can learn, enjoy, and benefit from participation in sports with proper help and encouragement. Consistent training helps develop their sports skills and competition among those with equal abilities. Test those skills, measures their progress, and provides incentives for personal growth. Sports strengthen and benefit people with intellectual disability physically, mentally, socially, and spiritually. They also help their families and the community at large, both through participation and observation. Special Olympic Bharat works towards the social acceptance of people with intellectual disabilities, whereby they are respected and given equal chances to become productive citizens. We encourage our athletes to move from the Special Olympics training and competition into school and community programs where they can compete in regular sports activities. Special Olympic Bharat. Special Olympic Bharat is a national sports federation also registered under the Indian Trust Act in 2001 and is accredited by Special Olympic International to conduct Special Olympics programs in India. It is recognized by the Government of India as a national sports federation in the priority category for development of sports for persons with intellectual disabilities and is a design nodal agency for all disabilities on account of its national presence and experience, especially in rural areas, which accounts for nearly 75% of the disabled population in India. 1 million athletes with intellectual disabilities, 84,950 coaches and trainers, all states and union territory of India, 1 lakh athletes more reached every year, over 24,000 athletes at the National Games since 2002. Paralympics. The word Paralympics derived from the Greek preposition para means besides or alongside, and the word Olympic. It means is that meaning is Paralympic are the parallel games to the Olympics and illustrates how the two movements exist side by side. The Paralympic Games is a major international multi-sports event involving athletes with a range of disabilities including impaired muscle power, impaired passive range of movement, limb deficiency, leg length difference, short stature, hypertonia, ataxia, athetosis, vision impairment, and intellectual impairment. There are Winter and Summer Paralympic Games, which since the 1988 Summer Games in Seoul, South Korea, are held almost immediately following the respective Olympic Games. All Paralympic Games are governed by the International Paralympic Committee, IPC. First Paralympic Games, the Stroke Mandeville Games, later became the Paralympic Games, which first took place in Rome, Italy in 1960, featuring 400 athletes from 23 countries. In 1976, the first Winter Games in Paralympic history were held in Sweden, and as with the Summer Games, have taken place every 4 years. and include a Paralympic opening ceremony and Paralympic closing ceremony. Since the Summer Games of Seoul, Korea in 1988, the Winter Games in Albertville, France in 1992, the Games have also taken part in the same cities and venues as the Olympics due to an agreement between the IPC and IOC. IPC symbol and motto. The International Paralympic Committee is the global governing body of the Paralympic movement and is based in Bonn, Germany, founded on 22nd September 1989. The IPC aspires to help achieve a more inclusive society for people with impairment through para sports. Its vision is to enable para athletes to achieve sporting excellence and inspire the excite the world. The IPC is a membership-based organization with more than 200 members composed of National Paralympic Committee, international federations, regional organizations, and international sports organizations for the disabled. The IPC aims to promote the Paralympic values of courage, determination, inspiration, and equality. In March 2018, the IPC and the International Olympic Committee signed a long-term agreement through to 2032 that will support the Paralympic movement, building on previous agreements that date back to 2001. This new agreement will see the IOC and IPC cooperate with the aim. Symbol. The symbol of Paralympic Games is composed of three adjectives colored red, blue, and green, encircling a single point on a white field. The agito means I move in Latin, is a symbol of movement in the shape of an asymmetrical crescent. The shape also symbolizes the Paralympic vision to enable Paralympic athletes to achieve sporting excellence and to inspire the excite the world. Motto. The Paralympic motto is Spirit is Motion. The motto was introduced in 2004 at the Paralympic Games in Athens. The previous motto was Mind, Body, Spirit, introduced in 1994. Deaf Olympics. History. The athletes of the Deaf Olympics set records and break barriers every time they participate in the Summer and Winter Deaf Olympics. The first game, known as the International Silent Games, were held in 1924 in Paris with athletes from 9 European nations participating with 148 athletes from 9 countries. The games were brainchild of Eugen Rubens Eclans, himself deaf and president of the French Deaf Sports Federation. The games were originally known as International Silent Game before they became the World Games for the Deaf. The most recent name is the Deaf Olympics, was formally adopted in 2001. In 1995, the CISS was admitted into the International Olympic Committee, the IOC, as an international federation with Olympic standing. The flag of IOC has flown next to the flag representing CISS, ICSD at the Summer or Winter Deaf Olympics since 1985. Winter Games were instituted in 1949 at Seefeld, Austria. It attracted 33 athletes from 5 countries. In 2013, 2,711 athletes from 83 countries participated in the latest one, the 22nd Summer Deaf Olympic. The 18th Winter Deaf Olympic in Khanty-Mansiysk, Magnitogorsk, the Russian Federation, in 2015 included 336 athletes from 27 countries. The latest Summer Deaf Olympics, held in Sofia, Bulgaria, had an increase of more than 200 athletes and 6 added nations from the previous Deaf Olympic in Taipei, Taiwan. Deaf Olympic mission to cherish the value and spirit of Deaf Olympics, where deaf athletes strive to reach the pinnacle of competition by embracing the motto of Perludus Equalitius, equality through sports, and adhering to the ideals of Olympics. The objective of the mission statement are to supervise the organization of successful summer and winter Deaf Olympics, to promote and contribute to the development of sport opportunities and competitions from grassroots to elite level for deaf athletes, to support and encourage educational, cultural, research, and scientific activities that contributes to the development and promotion of the Deaf Olympic, to fully enforce a drug-free sport environment for all deaf athletes in conjunction with the World Anti-Doping Agency, to promote sports for deaf athletes without discrimination for political, religious, economic, disability, gender, or race reasons.